going on, everybody? It's the Fly Fishing Ninja, and I just want to do a quick review on a product that I got. Hope I'm pronouncing the name of this right. It's the Chotec chest mount harness for a smartphone. There you go. I got it off Amazon for $14. Just some real quick things about it. You do get a 30-day money-back guarantee, 18 months warranty, and a lifetime technical support, which I don't know how good the technical support's going to be, honestly. But I'm just going to do a quick review on this product. Let me get my phone out so I can show you how it fits in here. So this is it, right here. This would be the part right here that snaps into your chest mount harness. We'll talk about that here in a second because I'm not using the one that comes with the with this. I'm using my old one. So basically, you take your phone, just like so, and it sits in these little grooves right here. There we go. See? It sits in these little grooves. And then you just snug it down. That's it. That is it. And it makes your phone actually like fully functional, really. I mean, let me show you here. As you can see, nothing gets in the way of the camera. Your phone is in there solid. It's solid. No doubt about it. Right back here, there's a button where you can lock this in place, actually, so that way it won't move on accident or, whatever. Everything malfunctions. So, yeah, then when you want to take your phone out, you push this little button right here, pull that up, phone comes out. And I don't think it's going to damage your phone at all. It's got some cushy pads here. And if you do have like a smaller phone, like an older iPhone or Android phone, you can push these buttons in and make the sides smaller. So, I mean, it's a good product. I think that's so you could see what your phone is seeing, I would assume. Or if you're doing a selfie, I think it's like a mirror if you're doing a selfie. Hey, selfie. Anyways, so let's talk about their chest mount real quick. Okay, this is the one that comes with the phone. Okay, it's a good, sturdy, solid, well-made chest mount. It really is. But I'm not going to use it because the one that I have from Luxbel is my old one, and it's got thinner straps. Let me see if I can hold these side by side so you can see what I'm saying. Okay. As you can see, the top one is my old one. The bottom one is the one that came with the chest mount. I like these thinner straps for a chest mount because the less you have like you rubbing up against your neck or anything, it tends to get annoying. Plus, these are a lot stiffer. So I think they are going to end up chafing on your neck. When you're fishing and you move around a lot, so your straps move, all that. So I'm not going to use the chest mount piece from them. I'm going to use my old one because I like the flimsier straps and the fact that they're thinner. So basically, it goes on just like your GoPro mount would, or any action camera mount. It just clicks right into place. It's just once it clicks into place, you're good. That's it. It's got the nut here for, anything you need to do there. Down here, there's another nut you can turn, which gives you your side to side. Doesn't have a lot of range of motion as far as, turning it, but it's not bad. And it does lock in very secure. It does. It locks in really secure. So that's just my real quick review of this product. I'd say out of 10, I would give it an 8. Only because they're chest mount straps, I don't think they're going to be comfortable. So I would give it 8 out of 10. Quality, I would give it 10 out of 10. Because it's built really well. $14. I will put the link to this in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I hope you enjoyed yesterday's video. I hope you enjoyed this one. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't. Hope to get out there and do some fishing soon. Let's see. We'll be doing that giveaway very soon. I'm still getting some views and some comments on the giveaway info videos. So thank you guys very much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. I appreciate all of you. I thank all of you so much. Fly Fishing Ninja out.